All these are the Lambretta reed wall related. These are the blocks I will show you. This is own made, CNC made, special design. And this is the reed block which I made. This is the block. This is for Lambretta. This is stainless steel reed wall. You can have a look. It is made of steel, whereas it is not steel. This is pure stainless steel. See, when you hit, you will come to know about the sound. It's a fantastic design. You can use two, either carbon fiber reeds or this type of reeds in this. See, both will fit. This is the same size. For example, or you can use this also. Like this. These are the carbon fiber reeds. You can use this also. So this is the ceiling. This is CNC made. This also CNC made. This is for bigger reed wall, and this is for this reed wall. All clearance are fantastic. Actually, I designed the drawing and gave to the machine shop. See, the fitment is exact. The blowing of air from the carburetor is fantastic. Actually, I already checked this, giving very fantastic results. So this is fine. Place it. You can place it like this on this, for example, like this. For door closing also there is no problem, and after that you can place it like this. This is all for informative purpose. And I modified this pipe. The flow of petrol from carburetor is excellent. Not even a single drop is remaining here, all being sucked by the engine perfectly. This is another block I will show you later. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this one 5. I have another block also. All these are CNC made. This is aluminum except this one. Except this one. This is the stainless steel one. You can see. See, the weight is also little bit more, but there is no problem for holding this. This is steel. I hope this video is useful. Let us meet again.